Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a clean source file and importing it into Gemini. Use RAW when available for Latitude. Once imported, create a project and set the color profile, resolution, and target aspect ratio. You should make a duplicate layer or snapshot immediately because non-destructive edits let you compare. Next, set global exposure and white balance roughly. Don't perfect yet. This first pass creates a neutral starting point. Once done, lock it in so subsequent creative adjustments are measured against the baseline. You now focus on the complex styling steps. Use layers and masks to isolate the subject, and apply dodging and burning to shape light. Then employ Gemini's generative repair tools for clean backgrounds, stray hairs, or object removal. Paint the mask and preview at 100%. Next, introduce color grading with curves or a LUT to establish mood. Tweak highlights, midtones, and shadows separately so skin tones remain natural. Make and name a preset. That saves time when you repeat this style across multiple images. You finalize by checking sharpness and noise reduction. Sharpen selectively and choose output sharpening for the intended medium. Export 3 assets, a full-resolution master, a 1080px social version, and a web-optimized JPEG with controlled compression. Make sure metadata and color profile embedding are correct. If you see halos, banding, or compression artifacts, revert to the duplicate, reduce aggressive contrast or compression, and re-render masked edits. Alternatively, export as PNG for critical areas. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle the edit history to isolate when an artifact appeared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.